Okay, so next question. The coordinates of three vertices of a triangle are given and we need to find the in radius of that circle, right? So first of all, if they have given us the coordinates, let us plot the graph, okay? So this is 1 comma 2, so 1 and 2, 1 comma 2. Then we have 7 comma 2, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this point will be 7 comma 2. Next we have 1 comma 10, so 1 is here, 10 will be on y-axis, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you observe this carefully, this is a right angle triangle, okay? Right angle at the vertex 1 comma 2, something like this. So I hope you guys know the formula. We have a direct formula for the radius of the incenter of this circle, radius of the incenter of this triangle. This R, if this base is B, perpendicular if I am representing by P and hypotenuse by H, the radius of the incenter of the circle, the radius of the incircle will be what? P plus B minus H by 2 bus. Direct formula. If you input the values, you will get the answer. Now how to input the values? First, if you calculate the base, you are starting from 1 and you are going till 7, which means this is 6, and here you are starting from 2 and going till 10, which means this is 8. Now if you remember the Pythagorean triplet, if not, you just have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. You will get hypotenuse as 10. So all you need to do is substitute here. 8 plus 6 minus 10 by 2, 14 minus 10 by 2, 4 by 2. Your answer is 2.